trying to gauge their clutch control. So we put them in a nice curve. So we'll pull you forward when you're ready, yeah?
Yeah, brilliant. I'll just have a quick walk up down and we'll pull some out and then on the other side now we'll go on, pull you. All right then, right. Let's have a quick walk up and down and see what we've got here because we've some fantastic cars. This one on the end. Now then, right away, there's certain people here and there's certain days in the Sweden. Not this particular car, but the same as this. And he used to rag it round all over the place and jump out the back and say, "Your next mate," didn't he? Eh? That's it. Beautiful vehicle. Look at this. I had to look what this was. A Chrysler. What a beast. What a beast. Look at that. We'll go and have a chat with you in a bit. You can tell us a bit of history about this. Fantastic little Ford vans. It's crying out to be signed written, that is. Brilliant. You don't see a Jaguar. That's a lady puller, isn't it, eh? Hang on, what's he giving me here? There we go. It's registered in 2001. It's 4 litre supercharged, 390 brake horsepower, 505 pounds torque, and 0 to 60 in 5.4 seconds. Now, compared with my Morris Spider, that's pretty fast, that. Beautiful looking vehicle. Oh, we'll come back to the Fords. These are very collectible these days. We've got younger people and that. They're well into all these Fords and that these days. Ford Escorts and the Cosworths and everything that. Fetching fantastic money. You can't believe it at all. Where's Will now? MGBs. Oh, you can't beat them. True British cars. We'll have another word in a bit. We'll have a word with John with the Austin 7. You know, he only got this last year, you know, and he says, "I want to buy a car as old as myself." It is, so he come up with his Austin 7. Right, well, you want to pull a few out? So we're having that too. What casualty. Oh, well, you see, if he'd have bought a British car, he wouldn't have none of this trouble. It'd have a starting angle, wouldn't it, eh? I've got the choice to bring my choice out first. I'm going to bring this beautiful Volvo out because you just don't see this at all. This is fantastic. You want to pull forward a little bit? You can, so you can have a look at that. And it's, because it is beautiful. Fantastic condition. Just look at the styling of that. I mean, we all think of Volvos as the solid tank square box things and that which go on forever and ever. But this has got style. Now I'll have to come round the other side to have a word. Now then, can you tell us a little bit of history? What year this Volvo is and a little bit of history about it, please?
Right, it's 1962. It was imported from Sweden in 1978. They were never sold in the UK, 2020 years. And we purchased it in
2000. There was a young lady I knew at the time had one of these. Give us a little bit of information. No, they're brilliant. They're just such full of character. That's the one. Yeah. Well, thanks very much. Oh, that's brilliant. What are we going for? We're going for the healer, yeah. Oh, look at this. Austin Mini Cooper. Got the food of sale 3 times and never sold because he had to push it in. And then one of the traders come up and he says, "What are they asking for it?" He said, £80. And bought it, and he came back in it the following week. He said, "Well, what's up with it?" Everybody says it was a gearbox. No, broke arm shaft, that's all I looked at. But imagine when you could pick one up for £80. I bet this, we could put a few noughts on that, can't we? Give us a little bit of history about it. Well, I didn't tell you that, do you? Local chocolate, local, have a go real quick. You've done proud with it because, as I remember rightly, a lot of companies like the old Vauxhall Vicks and everything. Well,
Right.
well done. One of my favourites, Elder. This is like a 1960s rally which was, look at it, proper wheels. I'm playing you, I don't know, it's incredible. Very, very nice, beautiful. That's a proper wheel, not like these models, is it? This is a proper model as well. Oh, I'm glad you pulled this one out, I need to know about it.
Yes, I guess so.
It was like that.
Oh, yeah.